I introduce you two of my friends, Joy and Jayhan. Yeah. There.
Friends? I'm not friends with this bitch.
Gabi kayo!
I'm calling you bitch?
It's not tangi. Dapat not yung... Okay, a war? Okay, go.
I was calling you bitch.
Tangi, tumitingin sa best. Okay, go! Diyan kaya na.
Mabuti na lang ng pinagsasasahan kaysa pinupulot yung taong meron na kasama. Yung pinaggamitan. Pinaggamitan ka lang ni Johnny. Parang masakit ka daw